In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your Sportsbet account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, in order to sign in, you want to click on Sportsbet, open up your Sportsbet account. If you don't have a Sportsbet account, make sure to download and install it from your either Google Play or App Store. And then from here, scroll up and you'll see a login button. Click on login. And now what you want to do is add in your username and password that you initially signed up to the Sportsbet itself. So yeah, go ahead and put in your username and password. Once you've done that, you've got a choice. You can keep me logged in to make it easier when you come back to the app at a later date, and then just click on login. If you've forgotten your login details, you can go ahead and click on forgot your login details, and Sportsbet will help to retrieve it. So you need to verify your identity. So add in your email address or username, your date of birth, continue, and then they'll email you how to reset your login details so you can successfully log back into Sportsbet.